Greetings one and all. I hope everyone is doing well because I'm bummed. I made this fire with just a dollar store candle, which are right here, but I must have double punched the come on, focus. I must have double punched the record button because I come around the other side of the camera and the fire was going, but it was not recording. So that's a real bummer. I basically just pulled this stuff off this old fire pit, which was here, and started up all the sticks and everything. And now I got my fire going, but I didn't record any of it. What a bummer. Oh well. Not much I can do about it now. Damn. That really sucks. So I've been really sitting here debating what to do with the footage I just shot and the footage that I lost. And, you know, simple fact is, I can't undo it. And I can't rewind time. But I thought, well, I'll just go home and scrap the footage. But then, you know, one thing I'm always talking about when I'm out here is keeping it real. So it really would kind of be against my channel to not just post it. I'm sure people are going to complain and go, well, you shot nothing. But it's just the nature of the beast, you know. I mean, what are you going to do? So I do offer you my apologies, and I do offer you IOU for the next fire I'm going to make with the dollar store candle. So, sorry about that. Just waiting for the fire to burn down so I can start getting lunch going.